Alright everyone, now it's time for us to get started with creating our first Facebook ad to market our event. So you can see these were previously my event, but I would not be using this ad account. I have another ad account that I use specifically for teaching, so I'd be using that. So when you're inside your ad account, and for those of you who do not know how to access your ad account, just click on this option and click on Manage Ad. My ad manager comes in, right? So we're going to click on Create. Then we're going to click on Engagements. As soon as I click on Engagements, I'll get three different options. If I want to go for post engagement, I want to go for page likes, or I want to go for event response. So while promoting an event, you should click on event response. And I would personally myself try to prefer the campaign name as with the same name as of your event. So I'm going to copy this, paste it over here, and rename this as event response. Alright, once we are done with the name, we're going to click on continue to move forward. Now we are inside the ad set level. First level is called campaign, second level is called ad set, third level is called ad. Just for a small breakdown, once you've selected the objective that you'd like to pursue within your ads, the ad set level, you fetch your audience, specifically people that you want to reach, and also the placements and the budget that you're trying to pay for your ad. All this comes within the ad set. You can see it right here, right? So we're going to do it one step at a time. I'm going to rename this ad set as audience 1. I can also use a saved audience just like I've created before. You can see in locations, you can enter simply the location that you're located at. I am currently in Pakistan, specifically a city I'm in Karachi right now, right? Now I'm going to select the age limit, the age limit that we would like to target. I believe the age 18 to 45 has worked really well for me, all genders. I'm not going to put any further information into this, but I am going to show you a few strategies that I've used to target different people, right? So I'm not going to target any languages, any connections, nothing at all. I wouldn't let Facebook decide who to show my ad to. And trust me, in terms of these events, it works. I've tried doing specific targeting, I've put in a lot of interest, but it didn't work. It didn't get me results, and even if I got results, the cost was really high. So I would let it be and let Facebook do its job. I would let my placements be at only newsfeed, so my ad is going to appear in Facebook and Instagram newsfeed only, mostly on Facebook, I mean. Okay, now you can change delivery optimization, but for event response, just keep it that way, really simple. Let me put in a budget of 200 rupees a day. If you are in United States or you're paying in any other currency, I believe you should always start with $5. It's a really good amount to start, and it can get you really good results. All of my testing, I've started with $5 and it's got me really good results. Right, so I'll start the ad continues from today, but I would end the ad on the date. Okay, hold on. Okay, the ad would start today. Setting a time for 1 hour ahead. I'm going to end it at 31st, right? The date before, just a few hours before the event. I'm going to keep it 31st, and suppose the event starts at 5 p.m. so I'm going to stop this at 1 p.m. It's just an example, don't get confused. this is the total of the amount I'm going to spend over here. I believe daily budget is far more easier for me. I don't put a lifetime budget ever. Let's go and click on continue. Now it's time for the ad creative. Now things are going to be really simple over here, right? I'm just going to select the pages that I have. Okay, just give me a sec. Right, I've selected the page on which this ad would be running. I need to check in the event. I need to put in the event URL. So you can see as I just clicked it, this is the one event that's on my page. Just going to click on the event and automatically it's going to show me a preview over here. So in terms of ad copy, we do not need much details, right? The person would click on interested, or they can click on simply going. Whatever your ad, your cover photo for your event is, it should have all the detail. So alright, so now I'm going to just paste the ad copy, which is basically the same thing that I put inside of my event. So here's a small preview. So we are back again this month. Rock You at Digital Marketing's Open Mic Challenge. My drop is very on this. I'm going to change some details over here. Right, looks good. So it starts with that we bring together, we are back again this month to rock you all at AAA Digital Marketing's Open Mic Challenge. So are you guys ready? I've mentioned the ticket price, so if you want to be one of the performers, you can simply click on this link. Looks good. My drop is your radio, blah 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 blah, the same information, some additional information. And you know what, if you put some emojis over here, so it could become more attractive. I do not have the emoji keyboard installed right now on my desktop, so I won't be using it, right? So this is how simple it is to promote an event, right? You can also change the ad image or turn it into a video. If you have any specific video from previous events, you can definitely use that. Just make sure whatever image that you're using, it's eye-catching and it's something everybody would love, right? So now let's click on, if you have a Facebook Pixel installed as well, just make sure you have enabled it. I do not have a Pixel installed on the said account, so I will not be using it. Just click on confirm and your app would be ready to run once it's in review and then once it gets approved. Okay, so now you can see that the ad is in review right now. This is the new look of the Facebook ads platform, and if you click on this option, it would take you back to previously how Facebook ads manager used to look. So I really like this new look, and I would let it be like that. Just in case anyone wants to rename this, I personally prefer renaming my ad name as well. It's easier for me. Okay, let me try that again. Let's click on publish, and as soon as this ad gets approved, my ad would start running and I would be daily getting different results. So let's go forward. This was one of the way you promote an event. There is another hack that you use to promote your event and reach out to even more audience. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that in the next step.